Welcome to the Zephyr Future Academy ZAT examination classes. I'm teaching the topic arithmetic progression, and we will discuss about the topic arithmetic progression. Before that, what do you mean by a sequence? Sequence. Define a sequence. A sequence is a systematic arrangement of numbers according to a given rule is called a sequence. That means a sequence satisfies certain rule. We can say the numbers as the terms of the sequence. For example, A1, A2, A3, etc. form a sequence. When we write that numbers in a certain order, it is called a sequence. Then the numbers in the sequence are called its terms. For example, suppose we are writing a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This is a sequence of our natural numbers. It obeys a certain rule because 1 is the first term, 2 is the second term, 3 is the third term, like that. It obeys an order. So this is a standard example for a sequence. Similarly, 5, 10, 15, 20, etc. is another sequence because the terms are constructed by using certain law. Similarly, we can write -3, -6, -9, etc., etc., etc. These are all sequences. These are the standard examples for sequences. Therefore, we can conclude that a sequence is a pattern of numbers which is constructed by using certain law, and the terms, the numbers are generally known as terms of the sequence. Generalization we can say like this: A1, A2, A3, etc., etc., AN, etc. Here A1 is called the first term of the sequence, A2 is called second term of the sequence, AN are generally known as general term or nth term of the sequence. We explained explained about the various examples for a sequence. Now we are coming to different kinds of sequence. Finite sequence. What do you mean by a finite sequence? If a sequence has definite number of terms, such a sequence is called finite sequence. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11, etc. is a finite sequence. Suppose we restricted the terms as a finite number, 100 terms or 10 terms, it is called a finite sequence. If a sequence is not finite, it is called infinite sequence. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., etc. The counting numbers or natural numbers is a standard example for a infinite sequence. We cannot count the number of terms in that sequence. So it is infinite. It is generally known as infinite sequence. Now after that we are coming to series. What do you mean by a series? If the terms of the sequence are connected by plus sign, positive sign, it is called a series. So we explained about infinite sequence. Now we are coming to the important topic, that is our topic heading is arithmetic progression. Now we are coming to the important definition of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a type of special sequence which has the form T1 equal to, that is T1 as known as first term A, T2 is defined by A plus D, T3 is defined by A plus 2D, etc., etc., etc. Tn is defined by A plus n minus 1 into D, etc., etc. It is called a arithmetic progression. 5, 10, 15, 20, etc., etc., etc. All of you observe this sequence. Here T1 is A. We are usually denoted by, first term is denoted by A, that is equal to 5. Now T2 can be written like this: first term plus a constant term, that is 5 plus 5, 10. T3 can be expressed as 10 plus 5, that is 15. T4 can be expressed as 15 plus 5, 20, etc., etc., etc. So this is a arithmetic progression with first term A equal to 5 and common difference D. Common difference is denoted by D. It is given by 5. So both first term and common difference is 5. This is a standard example for a AP, arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. One more example. Suppose we are considering another arithmetic progression 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. Here T1 is 3, T2 equal to 3 plus 3, 6. We are adding a constant number 3 with the first term. Similarly, T3 is obtained by second term plus the same constant 3, that is 9. So we can generalize how we can obtain the common difference. That can be expressed as T2 minus T1. That is, when we take the difference between any preceding term from the succeeding term, we will get the common difference, that is T2 minus T1. Similarly, D can be expressed as T4 minus T3, or generalizing D can be expressed as Tn minus Tn minus 1. That is that number is always a constant. It is called common difference. To obtain common difference of an AP, you just subtract the preceding term from the succeeding term. You will get the common difference of the AP. Now we are coming to the general term of an AP. We are coming to the definition of general term or nth term of an AP. Okay. General term of an AP is denoted by Tn. Tn, that can be expressed as A plus n minus 1 into D. From any AP, we can get the general term denoted as Tn, A plus n minus 1 into D. It is called nth term or general term of the AP. Here A is the, we know already we explained about A is the first term and D is the common difference. To obtain general term, Tn is defined by the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. For example, suppose 5, 10, 15, etc., etc. We got to obtain the 10th term. 10th term, that is T10. By the formula we can write A plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into D. Therefore, T10 equal to A plus 9 into D. We can observe from the AP, A is 5 and common difference is also 5. So 10th term is obtained as 5 plus 9 into 5, that is 5 plus 9 into 5, 45, 5 plus 45 equal to 50. But this is a general formula to obtain general term of an AP. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. Using this formula, we can obtain any number, any terms, any particular terms of the sequence can be written by using this formula. So this formula is known as general term of an AP. Now we are discussing certain problems based on arithmetic progression. This is the first question. The 11th term of an AP, minus 5, minus 5 by 2, 0, 5 by 2, etc. We have to find out the 11th term. We know the general formula, general term of the sequence is given by, AP is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a formula for general term. We have to find out 11th term. So our formula becomes A plus one number less than 11, that is the coefficient 10D. So we are listing the AP. AP is given by minus 5, minus 5 by 2, 0, 5 by 2, etc. You can find out the common difference from any succeeding term. You subtract that term just preceding that term. Therefore, D equal to 5 by 2 minus 0. 5 by 2 is the common difference. Now you have to find out T11. T11 is given by A is minus 5 plus n minus 1 into 10 into D, that is 10 into 5 by 2. 2 and 10 cancels 5 times. So T11 becomes minus 5 plus 5 into 5, 25. So your answer will be 20. 20 is the answer. That is given as option B. B is your answer. We are moving to next question. The second term of an AP is 13. Second term means T2. T2 is 13 and fifth term T5 is 25. Question is, what is the seventh term? We get to find out T7. So we have substitute for the formula for T2. T2 is given by A plus D, that is 13. Mark it as equation number 1. Now they are given T5 is 25. A plus 4D equal to 25. Mark it as equation number 2. To find out the seventh term, we have to calculate A plus 6D. So to calculate seventh term, we need A and D, the values of A and D. From solving these two equation 1 and 2, you can substitute for A and D, you will get. Here we have subtracting equation number 1 minus equation number 2 implies A minus I 0, D minus 4D will give minus 3D, 13 minus 25 minus 12. So minus minus cancels, 3D equal to 12. So D equal to 12 by 3, 4. Now we need the value of A. Substituting this value of A in D in equation number 1, you will get A plus 4 equal to 13. So A equal to 13 minus 4, the value of A is 9. Now you got the value of A and D. We got A equal to 9, D equal to 4. So T is 7. We can calculate T7. T7 equal to A is, we got the value of A is 9. 9 plus 7 into 6, sorry, A 6 into, and T7 equal to 9 plus 6 into D. D we got the value 4. That is 9 plus 6 into 4, 24. Your answer will be 33. 33 is the right option. That is option B. But we got the 7th term of the AP is option B. 33 is the answer. Term 7 of the AP is 33. Now we are moving to next question. Which term of the AP 21, 42, 63, 84, etc., etc., etc. is 210. We have to find out which term is 210. So we are writing A 21 first term, D common difference, second term minus first term, you can find out 42 minus 21, 21 is the common difference. And we have the formula for general term AN, that is 210. They are given by the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. We have to find the value of n. We have 210 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we can write 210 equal to 21 plus n minus 1 into 21. So you will get 210 minus 21 equal to n minus 1 into 21. N minus 1 into 21. So you will get 210 minus 21 equal to 21 into n minus 1. So we are subtracting n minus 1 equal to 21 minus 210 minus 21, that is 189. So we can find out the value of n minus 1 as 189 by 21. So you will get n minus 1 equal to 21 in 189, 9 times n minus 1 equal to 9. So n equal to 9 plus 1, n equal to 10. 10 is your answer. So 210 will be the 10th term, option B. 210 will be the 10th term of the arithmetic progression. Now we are coming to next question. What is the common difference of an AP in which A18 minus A14 equal to 32? They are given the difference between 18th term and 14th term is 32. We know the formula for general term is A plus n minus 1 into D. So we can substitute for A18. A18 is given by A plus 17D, and A14 by using general formula we can write A plus 13D. They are given the difference of these two terms, that is A plus 17D minus A plus 13D equal to 32. So subtracting, we can open this bracket, we will get a plus 17d minus a minus 13d equal to 32. So a and minus a cancel. 17d minus 13d equal to 32. So what is the difference between 17d and 13d? That is 4d. 4 times d equal to 32. Therefore d equal to 32 by 4. Your answer is 8. The common difference of the AP is 8. Option A. A is the right answer. D equal to 8. Now we are coming to next question. Is 7 times 7th term, that is 7 into T7 is equal to 11 times its 11th term, 11 into T11. Our question is then its 18th term. We have to find out T18. Okay. We know very well what is the general term of an AP. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 7 times T7 equal to 7 into a plus 6d equal to 11 times 11th day means 11 into a plus 10d. You can solve this equation. What will get? 7a plus 7 into 6 42d equal to 11 into a 11a plus 11 into 10 110d. Solving this, we will get it 11a minus 7a plus 110d minus 42d equal to 0. Subtracting, you will get 11a minus 7a is 4a plus 110 minus 42d. Subtracting 110 minus 42, you will get 10 minus 2, that is 8. 10 minus 4 will give 6. So 68. 4a plus 68d equal to 0. From this term, you can take 4 common side. You got the equation as 4a plus 68d equal to 0. You take common term outside. 4 is a common term. 4 outside. 4 into a plus 17d equal to 0. They are required, we have to find out the 18th term, that is T18. T18 is nothing but a plus 17d. From the above equation, we get 4 times a plus 17d equal to 0. This is of the form a into b equal to 0, which implies either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Here either 4 equal to 0 or a plus 17d equal to 0. But we know a not equal to 4 not equal to 0. So we got a plus 17d equal to 0. That means term 18 equal to 0. So your option is D. D is the right option. Term 18 equal to 0. From the given condition, we can observe that term 18 equal to 0. Now we are coming to next question. The fourth term from the end of the AP, minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, etc., 49 is. So we are writing here a is minus 11. Common difference is T2 minus T1, that is minus 8 minus 11, minus 8 plus 11, 3. Common difference is 3. We have to find out the fourth term from the end. Fourth term from the end. We have the formula, the nth term from the end. Nth term from the end is given by L minus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula from to find out nth term from the end. So here L is 49, n is 4. By substituting, you will get fourth term from the end. Fourth term from the end equal to L is 49. 49 minus n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, d is 3. So you will get 49 minus 4 minus 1, 3, 3 into 3, 9. So you will get 49 minus 9. So your answer is 40. 40 is the fourth term from the end. your option is B. B is the right answer. Now we are moving to next question. If the first term of an AP is minus 5, that is A is minus 5, the common difference D is 2. Then the sum of the first 6 terms is, we get the formula, sum of n terms of an AP Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to obtain sum of n terms of an AP, where n represents number of terms and a we know first term and d is the common difference. So we are finding out from this given data, we have a is minus 5, common difference d equal to 2, n equal to 6. We had to find out the sum of first 6 terms. So we had to find out S6. S6 equal to 6 by 2 into 2a. A is minus 5 plus n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 into d is given, we got the d, they are given 2. So you will get 6 by 2 3 into 2 into minus 5 10 plus 6 minus 1 5 into 2 10. So you will get 3 into minus 10 plus 10 0. So your answer is 0. Sum is 0. So correct option is A. A is the sum of 6 terms of the given AP. Now we are moving to next question. The sum of first 5 multiples of 3. We know the AP is formed like this: 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. etc. These are the terms of the AP. We have the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. From this question, we have to find out the sum first 5 multiples of 3. So S5 is, by using this formula, 5 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus, there are 5 terms we need, 5 minus 1 into common difference is 3. So multiples of 3, so common difference is 3 itself. So you will get S5 equal to 5 by 2 into 2 into 3 6 plus 5 minus 1 4, 4 into 3 12. So 5 by 2 into 6 plus 12, that is 18, 2 in 9, 18 cancels, 5 into 9 is the answer, answer is 45. The sum of first multiples of 3 is 45. Your option is A. A is the right option. Okay, we are now moving to 9th question. The which term of the AP 24, 21, 18, etc. is the first negative term. First negative term. That is the question. So we are supposing that the nth term is the first negative term. A plus n minus 1 into d is the first negative term. That means less than 0. Negative term means it will be this, and the general term will be the first negative term. We are supposing that, therefore the a plus n minus 1 into d will be less than 0. Here a is 24, d is the common difference, t2 minus t1, that is 21 minus 24 minus 3. So substituting these values, you will get, now a is 24, 24 plus n minus 1 into d, we got the value negative 3 less than 0. Suppose solving this, n minus 1 into negative 3 less than 24 is transposed to the right side of the inequality, you will get minus 24. So here minus 3, here minus 24 is there. While cancelling this negative sign, you will get n minus 1 into 3 greater than 24, because when we cancel negative sign, the inequality reverses its sign. So we got n minus 1 into 3 greater than 24. So n minus 1 greater than 24 by 3. 3 in 24 8 times, n minus 1 greater than 8. So n is 8 plus 1. The value of n should be greater than 9. So the answer will be n equal to 10. But no option 10 is there. So your option is D. D is the correct option. None of this is the answer to this question. Okay, now we are moving to the 10th question. Find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 200 excluding those divisible by 5. So we have the formula sum of first n natural numbers is given by the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Here A is the first term and L is the last term. So first of all we have to find out the sum of first 200 natural numbers, that is we get to calculate this value 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 200. So S200 equal to n by 2, that is 200 by 2 into A plus L. Here first term is 1 and last term is 200. So 2 into 100, 100 times 100 into 201. So your answer is 20100. 20,100 is the sum of first 200 natural numbers. But the question is we have to exclude this value from the 1 to 200, excluding those divisible by 5. So we can list the divisible by 5. The numbers divisible by 5 as listed as 5, 10, 15 etc. Last term is 200. Here A is 5, last term is 200. And we have to calculate how many terms are there from 5 to 200. You can use the general formula Tn equal to 200 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is 200 equal to A is 5, 5 plus n minus 1 into D is also 5. So you will get n minus 1 into 5 equal to 200 minus 5, that is 195. So n minus 1 into 5 equal to 195. Therefore n minus 1 equal to 195 by 5, that will give 39. So n equal to 39 plus 1, 40. So using this value of n, you can calculate the sum of the numbers divisible by 5. Sn equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. That is there are 40 terms we got. 40 by 2 into first term is 5, last term is 200. So you will get 2 in 40, 20 times 20 into 205. Multiplying this value will give 4100 is the answer. So the required sum equal to, we have to exclude this sum from the sum of first n natural numbers, that is 20100, that is 20,100 minus 4,100 will give the answer 16,000. But 16,000 is not given in the option, so your option is D. 16,000 is the right answer. It is not given, so your correct option is none of these.